Your first $1,000 probably won't make you rich, but it can stop you from being broke. And that's the part most beginners miss. Because once you arrive at $1,000, people start telling you how to invest it in stock market, dividend, crypto, whatever. And suddenly, your peaceful little $1,000 feels like it has to perform a miracle. And that's just not good. So before you invest it, I would do these 5 things. 1. Keep a small emergency buffer. If you don't have an emergency fund, don't rush to invest the whole $1,000. Keep it somewhere safe, because life doesn't have to wait until your finances are perfect. Your card can break, your hours can be cut, and bills can pop out of nowhere. And when you don't have buffer, a small problem can become a much bigger problem. That $1,000 might not sound like a lot of money, but it will give you peace to be able to sleep at night. And that's important. Number 2, pay off expensive debt. If you have credit card debts, buy now, pay later, payday loans, or anything that has high interest, that might be the best place to put your money. Because high interest debt is already working against you. You're not just paying back what you borrowed, but you're paying for the privilege of being stressed. Number 3, don't chase passive income too early. What I would say is be careful with passive income content. Yes, passive income is real, but your $1,000 is not going to make life-changing passive income for you. Let's say you invest $1,000 and make 5%. That means you get $50. That's good, but it's not worth quitting your job for it, if that makes sense. This is where a lot of beginners get trapped. They expect a small amount of money to create a huge result, and they start chasing risky investments like gambling and stuff. Your first $1,000 is not supposed to make you rich overnight. It's supposed to help you build the habit. Number 4, invest in your ability to earn. Think about using some of that money to learn a new skill, like reading books, courses, upskill yourself. But be careful, don't follow those courses, random courses that you see online. Oh, here's how to make money real quick. Nah, don't follow that. If you learn a skill that helps you earn, let's say $100 every month, you go to school, go back to study, or pick up a new skill, your life will change so much faster. So invest in yourself, read books, whatever you need to do. Number 5, start simple, boring investing. Once you have some stability, start investing simply. For most beginners, it doesn't mean trying to pick the perfect stock, but learning how to invest in a broad, diversified investment portfolio, like index fund. Essentially, spreading your money across companies, not just one company. And the real key is you're not investing $1,000 once, but regularly investing so that the compound interest working for you over the longer term. You might invest $10, $20, but regularly, consistently over a number of years. Even if it's small, whatever you can actually stick to. Your first $1,000 probably won't make you rich, but it can be the foundation as a stepping stone so you can build a better life. And that's a great place to start. Hey, thanks for joining today. If you enjoyed this video, you might like to check out this one as well. I'll see you there.